DNS, or domain name system, translates domain names into IP addresses, enabling website access. SiteGround lets you directly edit these records through their Site Tools dashboard. Key records include A for IP mapping, CNAME for aliases, MX for email routing, and TXT for verification. SiteGround lets you directly edit these records through their Site Tools dashboard. To get started, log into your SiteGround account. Navigate to the Domain section, then select DNS Zone Editor. Remember, after any change, allow 4 to 48 hours for propagation. To ensure a smooth transition, verify updates using tools like DNS Checker or What's My DNS. To begin updating DNS records on SiteGround, log into your Site Tools dashboard and navigate to the Domain section. Select DNS Zone Editor to access the record management interface. For an A record, which maps a domain to an IPv4 address, click Create New Record and select A from the Type dropdown. Use for the root domain hostname, then enter the target IP address. Set your preferred cache duration, typically 24 hours, and click Create. For a CNAME record, which creates an alias from one domain to another, select CNAME from the Type dropdown in the Create New Record section. Enter the hostname for the subdomain, then specify the target domain it should resolve to. Remember that CNAME records cannot coexist with other records on the same hostname. To configure MX records for email routing, add an MX record type in the Create New Record section. Use for the hostname, set a priority number where lower values indicate higher priority, and enter the mail server destination. Multiple MX records can be added for redundancy. TXT records store text for verification or security purposes, such as SPF for anti-spam or DKIM for email authentication. Select TXT type, enter the hostname, and input the text value. Multiple TXT records can exist for different purposes. After making any DNS record changes, be sure to save your updates. Changes typically propagate within 4 to 48 hours, depending on the record type. SiteGround offers 24/7 support if you need assistance with any updates.